everyone, my name is Refilwe and I'm 29 years old. Well, I'm doing presenting today because I love presenting. Ever since I've seen shows like Oprah, like Tara Banks' show, they've inspired me to do what I love the most. And having to go to New York to do that, well, that would be a dream come true. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Refilwe and welcome to Gemstone TV show. Lights, camera, and action. Are these the words you love to hear one of these good days? Then you've tuned in into the right show. Gemstone is back yet again, looking for singers, dancers, and presenters from across the globe. If you want to be one of them, come to the auditions right here at the President Hotel every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Well, I hope to see you in New York. Are you going to go? I'm going. Thank you.